Working with metal forming simulations in DEFORM 3D and have DT5 simulation files, these contain finite element analysis data for manufacturing processes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these DEFORM 3D simulation files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade DT5 file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A DT5 file is a design or drawing file created with I-D-F Sherpa, a product data management (PDM) and CID software suite. Users encountering this file are typically engineers or designers needing to access, view, or modify legacy product designs, schematics, or manufacturing data stored within the Sherpa system. The DT5 format is a proprietary binary file structured to hold complex CID data, including 2D, 3D geometry, metadata, and version history. This binary structure is optimized for performance and data integrity within the I-D-F Sherpa ecosystem, ensuring that all elements of a product design are cohesively managed. The guiding principle for opening DT5 is to use DEFORM from scientific forming technologies. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows exposes only minimal attributes, so full access relies on compatible 3D or engineering software. We need to check all possibilities. Right-click the DT5 file and select Open With. If DEFORM is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. When a DT5 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're dealing with a highly specific DT5 file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, opening in DEFORM 3D. Install DEFORM 3D software through your organization's SFTC license. Launch DEFORM 3D preprocessor or postprocessor and use File then Open to load the DT5 file. The software displays the complete simulation model with geometry mesh boundary conditions and results enabling analysis modification or restart of simulation runs. Next, using DEFORM Viewer. SFTC provides DEFORM Viewer, a free version of DEFORM that enables viewing of DT5 simulation files without full simulation capabilities. Download DEFORM Viewer from SFTC website for stakeholders who need to review simulation results without performing modifications. The viewer provides comprehensive result visualization and analysis tools. Finally, exporting results. Use DEFORM 3D's export functions to extract simulation results to standard formats for reporting and analysis. Export geometric data to STL or STEP formats for CAD integration. Result data to Excel for further analysis or animation files showing process evolution. These exports enable sharing simulation insights with stakeholders without DEFORM software access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.